Want to lose belly fat in just 3 days? Stick with us to discover how. Today, we're going to dive into the world of tasty, healthy smoothies that can help you shed those stubborn extra pounds in no time. We've got 10 mouthwatering recipes, each packed with natural, nutrient-dense ingredients that not only taste great, but also work wonders for your body. Imagine starting your day with a delicious beverage that's easy to prepare and has the potential to kickstart your weight loss journey. Sounds fantastic, right? Each smoothie we'll introduce is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and fibers. They're designed to keep you feeling full and energized while promoting fat burning. So, whether you're a smoothie lover looking for new recipes or someone eager to lose weight, this video is for you. Stay tuned for some delicious, healthy, and weight-shedding smoothie recipes. Ever wondered why these smoothies are so popular among weight loss seekers? Well, the answer lies in their amazing health benefits and their role in weight loss. Healthy smoothies are like a secret weapon against excess weight. They are packed with nutrient-rich ingredients, which not only nourish your body but also keep you away from unhealthy munching by promoting feelings of fullness. Imagine starting your day with a cup of health filled with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. All of this in a deliciously blended form. Smoothies can be a versatile and convenient choice for breakfast or a snack, especially when you're on the go. They can be your best friend when you're trying to lose those extra pounds, as they offer a balanced blend of macronutrients, keeping your energy levels up while helping to reduce cravings. Now that we understand why smoothies are a great choice, let's dive into our first recipe. Get ready for our first 3 mouth-watering smoothie recipes. Recipe 1, the green machine. This smoothie combines spinach, a leafy green known for its high fiber content that aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Kale, another nutrient-dense ingredient, packed with vitamins A, K, and C. Add a ripe banana for creaminess and sweetness, and a splash of almond milk to boost your calcium intake. Finally, a spoonful of chia seeds, a superfood that's high in omega-3 fatty acids for heart health. Blend it all together and voila, your green machine is ready to enjoy. Moving on to recipe 2, the berry blast. This vibrant smoothie starts with a base of mixed berries. Berries are low in calories but high in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. Then add some Greek yogurt for a protein punch and to help keep your gut healthy. Toss in a handful of almonds, providing healthy fats and adding a nice crunch. Finish with a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness and anti-inflammatory properties. Blend until smooth and your berry blast is ready to delight your taste buds. Finally, let's dive into recipe 3, the tropical twist. This smoothie brings the flavors of the tropics right into your kitchen. Start with ripe mango, full of dietary fiber and vitamin C. Add pineapple, known for its digestion-aiding enzyme bromelain. Throw in a ripe banana for potassium and creaminess. Pour in some coconut water, which is great for hydration and is rich in electrolytes. Top it off with some flax seeds, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Blend it all together until creamy, and your tropical twist is ready to be enjoyed. Remember, these smoothies aren't just delicious, they're also packed with ingredients that can support your weight loss journey. Enjoy these delicious and healthy recipes, but remember, we've got more to go. Ready for more? Here are our next 3 delectable smoothie recipes. Our 4th smoothie is a green detox delight. It starts with a generous handful of spinach, rich in iron and fiber. We add a few slices of cucumber, known for its hydrating properties, and a half of an avocado for a dose of healthy fats. We throw in a green apple for a touch of sweetness and a boost of dietary fiber. Blend it all together with a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and there you have it, a smoothie that detoxifies and keeps you full longer. Moving on to the 5th smoothie, we have the berry blast. This one begins with a cup of mixed berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. These berries are packed with antioxidants to fight inflammation. Next, we add a banana for some natural sweetness and a good dose of potassium. We also include a scoop of Greek yogurt for a protein punch and a cup of unsweetened almond milk to blend it all together. This smoothie is a great way to start your day, providing you with a surge of energy and a host of health benefits. Lastly, for our 6th smoothie, we have the tropical turmeric treasure. We start with a cup of fresh pineapple, a fruit known for its digestive enzymes and vitamin C content. We add a small piece of turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Next, we add a half cup of carrots, packed with vitamin A. We throw in a handful of spinach for some added greens and blend it all with a cup of coconut water. This smoothie is a tropical treat that also helps reduce bloating and improve digestion. Those were some nutritious smoothies, but guess what? we aren't done yet. Last but not least, here are our final 4 smoothie recipes. Let's dive right into our 7th smoothie. We call this one the Green Goddess. It's a delightful blend of spinach, cucumber, and green apples. Spinach is packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and curbs overeating. Cucumbers are low in calories, but high in many important vitamins and minerals. And let's not forget the green apples, which are high in dietary fiber and can help you feel fuller, longer. Next up is our 8th smoothie, the Tropical Fusion. This one is a refreshing mix of pineapple, coconut water, and a hint of mint. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and can help burn belly fat. Coconut water, on the other hand, is low in calories and high in potassium, making it a great natural electrolyte. The mint gives the smoothie a refreshing kick and aids in digestion as well. Our 9th smoothie is the Berry Bonanza. This one is a berry lover's dream. It's a blend of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. All 3 berries are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Blueberries in particular have been known to impact genes related to fat burning. Strawberries and raspberries are not only delicious but also low in calories and high in vitamins. And finally, our 10th smoothie, the Protein Powerhouse. This one combines Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and a banana. Greek yogurt is high in protein and can help curb hunger. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. And the banana? It's a great source of natural sugars, fiber, and vitamin C. And there you have it, our 10 healthy smoothies to aid in weight loss. Each recipe is brimming with ingredients that not only taste great, but also provide a wealth of health benefits. Remember, losing weight isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. And these smoothies are a great way to start your journey towards a healthier you. Congratulations on learning 10 new ways to help shed that belly fat. You've been on quite a journey with us, exploring a vibrant world of healthy, belly fat busting smoothies. Each one is a powerhouse of nutrients, designed to nudge your body towards better health and a slimmer waistline. Let's quickly recap our smoothie adventures. We started with the tangy delight of the citrus smoothie, packed with vitamin C to boost your metabolism. Then we moved on to the green detox, a cocktail of spinach, cucumber, and apple, helping your body cleanse itself from the inside out. We also met the Berry Blast, a blend of antioxidant-rich berries that help fight inflammation and speed up fat loss. Remember the Tropical Paradise smoothie? With its pineapple and coconut water, it's like a mini vacation for your taste buds while working overtime to burn belly fat. And who could forget the Almond Joy, a protein-packed smoothie that keeps you feeling full and satiated throughout the day. Then there was the power-packed spinach and flaxseed smoothie, a fiber-rich concoction that aids digestion and keeps those hunger pangs at bay. The creamy avocado smoothie, rich in healthy fats, helps regulate your blood sugar levels. The spicy ginger smoothie, with its thermogenic properties, kickstarts your metabolism into high gear. And last but not least, the sweet and tangy kiwi and grapefruit smoothie, a low-calorie yet tasty option that helps you stay within your daily calorie limit. Integrating these smoothies into your diet can be a game changer. See which ones work best for you, and feel free to experiment with your own combinations. Remember, consistency is key. Make them a part of your routine, and you'll soon see the benefits in the mirror and in your overall well-being. Which smoothie did you like best? Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it most, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.